In continuing effort to stabilize the situation in Manipur, combined team of security forces have continued extensive search operations in both hills and valley districts, leading to seizure of substantial cache of arms and ammunition. As per police sources, several weapons hidden were recovered by the combined team from Wangu Yelangba Hill Range in Kakching District today. The search operation was conducted by joint team comprising Kakching District Commando and 2 platoons of Central Force, including OC of Wangu Police Station under the supervision of SP Kakching TH Vikramjit at Wangu Yelangba Hill Range. The operations lasted from 6:55 to 9:10, which resulted in recovery of 1 double barrel, 1 single barrel, 3 numbers of .36 heavy explosive grenades, 1 detonator, 2 helmets, 4 smoke grenades, 15 numbers of .303 empty cases, and 15 number of AK empty cases. The seized items have been handed over to Wangu Police Station, where an FIR has been registered. On the other hand, according to reliable sources, after receiving tip-off about movement of some armed persons at Gelmol village in Bisnupur district, the combined team of Bisnupur Commando, 5 Sikh Regiment and A32 CRPF Battalion immediately rushed to the spot and reportedly conducted search operation. The search operation uncovered large cache of arms and ammunition hidden at a canal located at the northern side of Gelmol village. The items include 1 AK rifle with magazine, 1 CMG carbine, 1 sniper rifle, 1 revolver, 2 tube launchers, 2 numbers of .36 heavy explosive grenades, 1 empty magazine of Imphal LMG, 2 detonators, 8 live rounds of 9mm, 4 live rounds of .303 rifle, 7 live rounds of AK, 3 numbers of .303 high-density cartridge, and 9 tear smoke shells. The recovered items have been handed over to Moirang Police Station, where a case has been filed for further investigation.